There are 6 bolts you need to locate to remove the headlights on your X90 Mark II. 3 are visible from the top of the car. The other 3 are hidden behind a corner light. To remove the corner light, take a pry tool and begin prying the corner light from the bottom. If you look, you'll see a little tab sticking out the bottom. Pry right under that tab. Easy. You'll need to remove the parking light bulb, fog light bulb, main light bulb, and optical cable. Remove the headlight. I found it easier to start removing the headlight by pulling on the side closest to the center grille first, then proceed to pull the corner section. You'll be able to access the bottom turn signal and road illumination bulb from here if you wish to do so. Install is the reverse of removal. It may be a little tricky to reinstall the headlight, but take your time and with a little coaxing it'll seat itself. And that's how you change the headlights on your X90 Mark II.